To elevate your Beehiiv publication, focus on its visual design, ensuring a memorable and engaging experience for your audience. Begin by logging into your Beehiiv account and navigating to the Appearance or Design section within your publications. Settings. This is your central hub for customizing the look and feel of your content. Colors play a vital role in branding and mood. Explore Beehiiv's preset themes or create your own unique palette. Ensure your chosen colors are harmonious, align with your niche, and contribute to a professional, inviting aesthetic. Typography is crucial for readability and brand identity. Experiment with Beehiiv's font options, pairing distinct fonts for headings and body text to enhance clarity and visual appeal. Your logo is your brand's visual hallmark. Upload a high-quality logo to Beehiiv for consistent use across your site. And emails. Don't forget the Favicon. This small detail reinforces your brand presence in browser tabs. The Hero section is your publication's digital storefront. Upload an impactful header image, craft a compelling headline, and write a concise description that clearly communicates your newsletter's value proposition and encourages subscriptions. Effective post layouts enhance reader engagement. Beehiiv provides various options to showcase your content. Experiment to find the arrangement that best suits your articles and user experience. By strategically customizing your colors, fonts, logo, and layouts, you enhance user experience, build credibility, and foster reader loyalty, ultimately driving growth for your publication.